오늘은 비가 오네요. Rainy today. Nice rain. Not very strong, no windy. This mint, some kind of a mint I moved recently, looks all living. I usually put plant just before rain, then all alive, all live 100%. So you guys put plant just before rain, then all live. I all took it out my chili tree and things, and I cut this pumpkin. Why? Why? Because I want to put some other things. And this pumpkin, I think it was wrong place. This is a perilla plant, but I took it out because I want to put something else. You see the behind the acorn tree, you see, farming is battling with sun in the outside. I was several times fading and battling with the bees, hornets, wasps like this. It's a different experience, experimental, from inside the building. Let me see, happily rainy. This quince, but it's not very good, because I found the quince is in Middle Eastern area. Quince is good, but my quince is very strong, tough. No sweet, not sweet. If quince is good, then I will try maybe Moroccan quince tajin one day. Maybe just for flavor, or we'll see it's gonna work or not before all the bugs, insects is eating, laying egg in the quince. They like quince too. But my sparrows are protecting these days. Yes, I told you I'm raising sparrows. So this is you see this cilantro, coriander survive. I was 10 times picking up the weed. It was a challenge because I seeded too deep. So you don't put seed too deep. Take so long and weed wins. So I'm gonna use this cilantro to cook Indian, Sri Lankan, Italian food, Vietnamese food, like this. So like this. So this weed I'm gonna destroy soon after rain stops. This, I don't know what is this, but I'm gonna pull it out. So today is a rainy day in Korea. This pine tree, my father put this pine tree, Korea pine tree, looks like this. Yeah, let me see what is nice to put this. This jujube, 대추나무. Oh, my mint looks happy. Happily drinking rain. Bye.